Get you a look at that live radar. We haven't had much rainfall over the past several days, but we're starting to see some of the action work its way towards the coast. Some lighter rain in northern Palm Beach County. Heaviest of rain right now from the airport to Glen Ridge, all the way to Palm Springs to Lake Worth Beach. We're seeing some very heavy rain crossing over 95, exiting shortly offshore. Good thunderstorm, though, along inland portions of Palm Beach County. Now, good thing is this is over an area of unpopulated land, but it is moving off to the southeast, producing a lot of that heavy rainfall as well as some very frequent lightning. So that's going to be something we're going to be watching out for possibly maybe even Boca Raton, West Boca at that. As we take a look up towards northern Palm Beach County, some light to moderate rain there from Tequesta into Jupiter, then into Juno Beach, all the way into Riviera Beach, West Palm Beach to Palm Beach, exiting offshore. So a little taste of those April showers in the forecast. Now, we do have that rain and cloud mixture there from downtown West Palm Beach, 81 degrees, southeast wind, 14 miles per hour, so a little bit of a breeze there. And as we go hour by hour, we'll start to dry things out very nicely by around 8 o'clock when we lose that daytime heating. And then temperatures falling into the mid 70s to the lower 70s overnight. And then tomorrow morning, we do have a chance to see maybe 1 or 2 showers just before 10 o'clock in the morning, and then another round of rain throughout the afternoon. So timing of the rain is still something that we're going to be watching out for. But Monday, very busy day. It's Earth Day and also the first evening of Passover. Temperatures for the afternoon look for those mid 80s. Going with some impact weather because there is the potential for 1 or 2 stronger storms. Now, all thanks to this cold front now to our north, this will eventually sink southward, giving us a chance for the scattered rain and storms associated with it for tomorrow. Again, with the daytime heating, a lot of instability in our atmosphere, there is the potential for 1 or 2 of those storms to lean on the stronger side throughout the entire area shaded in green. We could see wind gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour, small hail with some very strong thunderstorms. Of course, these storms are capable of producing frequent lightning. Good thing is the tornado threat is low, but just something that we will still be monitoring if there's any rotation. Of course, we will keep you posted and updated all day long. So tonight, showers and storms moving offshore, clearing out nicely just before 9 p.m. And here's our cold front. We could see some morning action, but a better chance to see maybe some stuff throughout the later afternoon hours into the evening. Again, 1 or 2 storms could lean on the stronger side throughout those late afternoon hours. Heading into your Tuesday morning, maybe 1 or 2 showers rolling in from the coastal area. But other than that, we are looking at a very dry trend starting in after the Tuesday all the way through the remainder of the work week there. So we are going to see some pretty big changes. Tonight, don't forget, there's a meteor shower, but you have to watch that just before dawn. Otherwise, temperatures into the upper 60s, low 70s, and look for partly cloudy to mostly clear conditions for tonight. Tomorrow, impact weather, it's going to be warm with scattered rain and a few of the storms, as I mentioned, that could lean on the stronger side. Beach and boating conditions. We do have a small craft advisory for the Treasure Coast going into effect for tomorrow around 4 o'clock. Otherwise, storms moving offshore. Winds transitioning out of the north eventually at around 10 to 15 knots, picking up later in the day, so will become breezier. That's going to be also one of those changes you will notice. So Earth Day is on Monday. It's going to be a wet one, but we could really use that rainfall, and then it looks like we are entering a very dry work week.